are loading some sawdust. I've been told to wait, so I am waiting. Tell you what, while we wait, I'm gonna just start to open the side curtain so it's ready. I don't know where they're gonna load me, but I can get it ready. This is the thing, I don't actually know if I'm loading here or I need to drive down the bottom, so I just get it ready and then I'll take these. We don't want to lose free wood. Yeppa. Okay, now we wait. Once I know... Are these mine? This is me? Papers. Papers, papers, papers. There you go. We need to lift the roof. There you go. Cool thing about these trailers. The ones I had in UK, you could never lift it like that. Let's put these in here all the way. Na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey. Goodbye. Wow. Okay. Oh, I don't like this. I like symmetry. But we have a problem here. We don't have another one. Ay, ay, ay. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 pallets. I have to try to remember that. 100% guarantee I will not, but you know, I will try. Look at, they got enough sawdust here for days. Look at it. How far does it go back? Oh, not that far. Wow, I want to go up there. Maybe not today. Okay. To lift the roof on the back here, we have to open the back door. Ah, another rip. Okay, open it, leave it, crank this up a little bit. Why is this not cranking? Is this thing twisted? Yes. Wait. There we go. Up she goes. There we go. Nice. Oh. No. That's the problem when there's not enough tension. Like this, unfortunately. Can I put it around this? That will just stay. Line her up. There we go. Yeah, this is the problem with the roof raised though, you know. Get in. There we go. You're just gonna be rough. Wait a minute. So we don't have to climb. Oh shit, I'm putting it in the wrong one, aren't I? You know, it happens. Boom. Now we wait till we get past the next point. Once we get into the middle, we can secure the support post. I can drop that side and slide the curtain across and then load the back half. That is the process. Oh, I don't know why. It's just because I'm hungry and I'm on a diet, but I'm seeing these and it's literally making me hungry. Do you know why? Not because obviously I like to eat the pellets, but because this is reminding me of stuff that you can put in a smoker, and that's making me think of everything I can smoke. Oh, oh God. Starving. Let me tell you. Right. Oh, what I would kill for a smoked burger, double cheese, some, I don't know, barbecue mayo sauce. Oh, I shouldn't be talking. Making myself more hungry. Here we go. Let's get a wide angle shot now. Yeah. Okay, moment, I'll do the other side. Okay, we're like towards the end of the trailer now, so I can drop this side. So there's a little twisty thing here. You twist it and it comes down. Put that down, twist it back, that seals it. That's ready to go for the next time. because he can still get the pallets in from the back here. I'll take this out. Put it there somewhere. There we go. It's got one more crank in it. Nice. That's a good system, you know. Lift the front, lift the back. Okay, let's get rid of these. Two more and we can get the other post in. Oh, let me get in there. Wonderful, looking good. Stay. Stay. That's not in his way, no. Okay. I'm gonna put these boards up. Oh, am I not gonna have enough? Wow. Okay. This is the problem with sharing trailers. Oh. Let me just check the other side. So sometimes these trailers have spares in these side containers, but nope. Okay, it is what it is. Two will have to do. I might not be able to do this one because at the top there is a spring. It might. Yeah, Yeah, the top there is a spring, you can see. So when this thing moves, it allows the post to move as well. Tamping, I don't have any other pieces. Oh, that's gonna be better to do it the other way, isn't it? Let's be honest. Wow, one arm is not very balanced. Whew. It's just two more. We finish? From back, okay. So 2 and then 3 from the back. So we can pull this. Ready to close. Drop the roof, but we have to make sure the door is not in the way. Voila. Put that down, lock it. We'll deal with that in a minute. Stay. He's not gonna stay on there, is he? Oh, moment. I have to lift the roof. I've just pulled the wood in. Ah. Okay, the roof part. Can I get this one out? Yes. There we go. Now, how I get that back down is going to be a different problem, because I do not have the hook on a pole. Yeah, down. Yeah, that's good. The last one. Like fit in a puzzle. Yeah, it's okay. Moment. The top. Moment. Can I get up here? This is gonna be awkward. This is gonna be very awkward. Oh, don't die. Try not to die. Okay. Yo. It's all about helping, see? We're in, are we? Beautiful. Yeah, lift me. Good man. He knows the score. Yo. Up we go. It's like a lift. Stop. It's good. It's like surfing. Dankeschön. Okay. Oh, your papers? Bureau, yeah? Okay. Oh, I lifted the pole so fast. I just whacked myself in the knee. Oh, that is funny, but it is not funny at all. Oh my days. Oh, Jesus. Mother Mary. Okay. Right, let's not put holes in it. Please, please, stay. Right, I need to get up here again. Hey. Wait a minute. I have a plan. No, I don't. Let's just go for it. Oh, there we go. Okay. This is gonna be awkward. Oh, it doesn't fit. Oh, I have to turn around. Come on, persistence. There's nothing to hold on to, like to push. Yes. Oh, it doesn't want to go out, does it? Yes. Hallelujah. Persistence. Nice. Okay. Let's get down. Not die. See? Easy peasy. Let's pick this one up and not give myself a dislocation. Obviously I'm joking. You know, that's not a dislocation. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful day as well. Is it gonna be wonky, is it? Sometimes when you load something and they push on the trailer, it makes it a little bit wonky. Sometimes. I have had it loading and the angles of these were way off. I had to get a forklift driver to push the top half to bring it back straight. If that makes sense. If it doesn't, then doesn't matter. Does not matter. Okay, I don't like that out. Oh, I'm too fussy. I'm too fussy, I just don't like it. No. There we go. Oh no, he's gonna get out now, isn't he? Oh, we're okay. We're okay. Yeah, there we go. I'm too fussy with some things. I just, it has to be a certain way. Anyway, moving on. There we go. Happy with that. Quick check. Haven't forgotten anything? Nope. Nice. Let's go jump on the weighbridge. Lovely. 6.5 hours drive back to Holland. Nice job about today. Yeah, because I'm super fast. This is something, if you're new here, you will learn. I am a lot faster than my planning. I love it. I love it. Too good at my job. Because this loading was planned for tomorrow. There's the date. Well, actually it was planned for the day after, but yeah. 15th, yeah, loading date for tomorrow. The unloading is for the day after. Wow. Yeah. So that's how I'm a day ahead of schedule. I mean, I always am, to be fair. I just can't help it. Now I can go back to the base and fresh shower, food, etc, etc. Let's go. Let's get on the weighbridge before somebody else comes. Follow the line. Just follow the line. Boom. Okay, let's go get the papers done. There we go. Now, next stop, Holland. 6 hours to the base. Can I make it? No, not damping. I only have 2 hours remaining. Well, you know, it is what it is. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao for now.